good morning. Today is Saturday. Happy weekend. I am just waking up from sleep. I slept this morning around 6. I was just rolling on the bed and I slept around 6 and I'm just waking up. So yeah, I will be going to the grocery store. We don't have anything in this house. The whole house is empty, so I need to buy food and some other things. And I have been so lazy lately. Imagine since yesterday I did not wash the dishes. I left it in like that, and I need to arrange plate and all that. Guys, one thing I noticed about polish is that this is their cover. Can you imagine? You can't remove this cover, and I hate it so much. I hate the fact that the cover is always hanging here. I don't like it. It's so funny. The first day I came, I was trying to remove the cover. My mother was like, don't remove it. That is how the bottle is. So I was like, Sometimes, if I want to drink water from the bottle like this, for example, this is my problem. This cover is my problem. Sometimes I just get angry and use scissors to cut it because it's annoying. It's very, very annoying. Let's go, guys. I am wearing this two-piece top and long skirt. It's very, very long with the black slippers, and I'm pairing it with this handbag. Yeah, so let's go do some shopping. I'll see you guys.
So I came outside after taking my shower. I said to myself, why not go outside, collect fresh air, and I found myself at the park. The park is actually very, very, very big. It's a very big park. It's close to my house. It's not too far from my house. As you can see, there's a water fountain there. When it's dark, when it's night time, you guys will see the colors coming out of this water. Beautiful colors. That is why I'm sitting down here, so I can witness the colors of the water. So yeah, I think I am going to end this video here. If you've not subscribed, please hit on that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and turn on your post notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to be notified. See you guys on my next video.